3, 2, 1, let's rebuild. And we're off and running in this event. Cerberus' bot blue immediately going into the blue alliance zone to stop them from scoring points as their hub deactivates and it switches over to the red alliance hub. 324 Monk and 2587 Disco bot scoring for the red alliance. They've caught up and overtaken the blue alliance. 5427 Mac, piloted by the Steel Talons, launching fuel into the zone, and now getting a jump and exactly timing it perfectly. They've caught up and retaken the lead. 5829 trying to help. Goldfire shooting into the hub and getting pushed off target successfully by Cerberus. Mac bringing fuel back to the outpost for the Blue Alliance as the activation phase shifts over to the Red Alliance hub. 76-91. Jurassic Sparks attempting to play defensively in the Red Alliance zone, while 25-87 Disco Bots and 324 Monk put up points and score for the Red Alliance, widening the gap and pulling away. It's Blue's activation phase, and this is their last chance to catch up before the end game. And the crowd goes wild as they put up massive points, closing the gap to less than 30 points. Cerberus holding them back as we go into the end game. A pin count here in the Blue Alliance zone, and Cerberus retreats to the Red Alliance zone. Less than 30 points separate these teams. The Red Alliance puts up some shots. The Blue Alliance continuing to score. It's going to come close. 5 seconds left in the match. 3, 2, 1. Please stand by for the official final score. The Red Alliance wins the match, 289 points to 232. They will advance to the finals. Let's have a round of applause for the Blue Alliance. Congratulations on completing the tournament and putting up a strong finish.